In this walkthrough, we're presenting the web application we built for ITSC. Here on the main homepage, the Hero section immediately displays the primary IT outsourcing and computer service offerings. Scrolling down, we implemented modular service cards covering IT outsourcing, hardware repair, managed services, remote support, and network setup, paired with key feature badges below. We structured the top navigation for seamless page transitions, allowing users to jump directly into the company breakdown, mission overview, and extended service catalog. On the case studies page, we designed structured content modules to display real-world client challenges, implemented solutions, and key project results. The pricing section is built with side-by-side tier cards to clearly lay out basic, standard, premium, and add-on accounting packages. Finally, the contact page includes essential location details along with a functional inquiry form that features built-in client-side validation for required fields.
Do you have a similar vision for a game-changing application? Or are you looking to develop a custom platform that pushes the boundaries of technology? We're here to help you build it. Let's turn your idea into the next industry standard. Get in touch with HackerKernel today.